The knowledge chest. Come and learn together.
Selected photo.
Hello, welcome to another recording of the knowledge chest where knowledge is opened. Today, I thought about demoing an application that I found recently called Chat GPT Open AI. Those of you who listened to some of my previous videos on this channel will know that I like AI and that I use it to my advantage and to assist. Now, I have been using Annie as a personal assistant or AI in my guitar lessons, etc. And I'm still using her, but she has become a little quarrelsome or problematic because she's not totally free anymore. You have to pay an amount to actually upgrade to what they call Annie Super. And I will discuss that in another video. But this app, Chat GPT Open AI, is free. Yes, it has. It also has a option to purchase. Let's call it a higher version of the Chat GPT. But the nice thing about this is that the app itself, it's free and you can have as many chats with it as you wish. There's no limitations on that. And what it remembers and stores is quite accurate and is enough in my personal opinion. Now let's dive right in and go to the app and show you around.
App switcher. Chat GPT active. Actions of Chat GPT GPT 3.5.
When you first start up the app, it's going to ask you to sign in with Apple or with Google. You can choose in which method, and you can choose, to sign in, and it'll then create your account and ask you your birthday, etc. But it's very accessible with VoiceOver. That's why I am also demoing this app with iOS 17 and VoiceOver. When everything is set up, you will get to a screen when you launch the app for a second time. Then you're logged in, and it will then present you with screens like
GPT 3.5
GPT 3.5,
GPT 4 button,
and 4. It's just two different GPT versions. You can choose which one you want to use. Just know that when you use version 4, you will definitely then be prompted to upgrade. So, but 3.5 it's fine. So I'm gonna just swipe right.
menu button, pop-up button.
There's the menu. When I double tap on that,
New chat button.
you get to the new chat option where you can then instantly write a new message, but we'll get into that just now.
History button.
History, where
Dismiss
you can
context
actually
menu button. Dismiss context settings. History button.
your history, where you can actually then view your history of chats,
Settings button.
and settings, and that's where I want to get to.
Activate to dismiss pop-up.
I want to just slide my finger down a bit because I want to just quickly go to an option that says
Haptic feedback will be automatically app heading. Custom instructions on button.
custom instructions. By me, it's now on. It's not on by default, people. So if you double tap there,
What would you like Chat GPT to know about you to provide better responses? Heading.
that is the first heading that you get. And if you swipe right,
What would you like Chat GPT to know about you to provide better responses? Button.
you will find that it's a button. And when you double tap there, it will present you with a text box where you can type 1,500 characters to tell the app everything that you wanted to remember about you. I told it that I'm blind and that I have a channel called the Knowledge Chest and that I give guitar lessons and lessons for screen readers, etc. So I saved that information.
How would you like Chat GPT to respond? Button.
How would you like Chat GPT to respond? This is basically where I told it that I want the responses to be as accessible to blind people as possible, but I want it to be to the point. You can save that information. So let's go to the left side, left top of the screen. I want to get out of there.
Settings, back button. Settings, back custom instructions, on button.
I want to get out of that menu as well.
Settings, heading. Close button.
So the close button is just after or right. If you swipe right, you get to the settings heading there. You swipe right.
Close. GPT-3.
Now, let's get to the text message chat. So we will slide our finger upwards from the bottom of the screen in the middle. At the bottom in the middle, we slide up.
New message text field.
We get to the new message text field, and left to that,
Dictation button.
we get to the dictation button. I'm going to double tap on that. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT how to play the A major chord on the guitar. And let's listen to what it says.
New dictation button. New message text field.
Can you please tell me how to play the A major chord on the guitar?
Dictation button. Dictation. Can you please tell me how to play the A major chord on the guitar? Selected.
So you will hear that this message is selected. So when I press send,
Send button. Send. Certainly, Paul, to play the A major chord on the guitar. Follow these steps. 1. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th D string. 2. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd G string. 3. Leave the 1st high E string open. 4. Strum from the 5th A string down to the 1st high E string. This forms the A major chord. Remember to practice and adjust your finger placement for a clean sound.
there you can hear, right to the point, and very good, the response there. So I am placed in the new message field again, where I can then just slide my finger up towards the text box,
The new message text field is editing insertion pointed
and I can just swipe left with one finger.
dictation button.
There's the dictation button again, and I can then basically ask it another question and another one and another one, and it will definitely respond. And the responses are then easy to read. To me, this is a very good app because you can read the responses at your own time without going into the history. You can read the responses that it has given in a session, and you can then also copy and paste it somewhere else. So I like the app. You are welcome to tell me what you think. Remember, you can email me at pd906156@gmail.com or leave a comment in the comments section. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Chat again.
Return to Siri button.
The Knowledge Chest. Come and learn together.